super quick but super important video that I wanted to make here as I am doing some real-time Etsy product research for my own Etsy shops for the Q4 fall holiday season. I want to take you into my laptop and show you real-time some things that I'm seeing consistently across the board. If you are a regular here and you watch my content, you know that I love making videos on upcoming trends and design aesthetics and niches that are in demand, etc. And a lot of times I forget to really dive into the product part of it with you guys, which is equally as important to those things that I just mentioned, right? So in my shops, I mostly sell t-shirts and sweatshirts. In this video, I'm going to show you the main brands of t-shirts and sweatshirts that will be selling this fall Q4 holiday season, along with the colors of these t-shirts and sweatshirts that are going to be flying off the shelves. So let's jump into my computer. If you made it all the way past my intro, please comment Q4 in the comment section below so that I know that you are still with me. All right, so in Etsy, I'm just doing a simple search for fall shirts. I know it's big and broad, but it's going to give us a great idea of what's selling across the board here. So I will say that comfort colors are popping up so much. I still mostly sell Bella Canvas in my shop. However, because I'm seeing a rising trend in these comfort color shirts here, I am adding comfort colors to my shops as well. Another thing we want to keep in mind is mockups, and I can do a whole nother video on mockups, but I've been seeing a change in the types of mockups that we're seeing on Etsy, and a lot of them for t-shirts and sweatshirts are now these folded mockups, so keep that in mind as well as you list products for the Q4 holiday season. And actually, I want to show you this here too. This is pretty crazy. If I come over here and type in comfort colors shirt, take a look at just the monthly searches for the keyword comfort colors search. Like, are you kidding me? Almost 6,000 monthly searches. People are definitely searching up this brand of t-shirt, because if I type in, let's see, Bella Canvas, who will always have my heart. So if we type in Bella Canvas shirt, that's only getting 860 monthly searches. Now, do I say to toss Bella Canvas out the window and only list comfort colors? Absolutely not. My biggest sellers are still Bella Canvas. So keep that in mind, but also keep in mind that people are searching for specific brands of shirts. Same goes for sweatshirts. Now, a big color across the board for many years now has been the Comfort Colors Pepper color. I'm going to show you where you can find all of these also. This brownish espresso, I believe is the name of it, Comfort Colors does really well during the fall season. The Ivory Comfort Colors does really well. As far as sweatshirts, one of my biggest sellers is the Gildan 18,000, the sand color. But there is a color that is being offered for Gildan 18,000 within Printify that I'm about to show you, and I don't see it here that often. I've only seen it maybe 2 times, and I think it's going to be huge this fall season. So let me jump into Printify and show you. So we're going to catalog, we're going to come over to women's clothing and sweatshirts. Okay, so we know that Comfort Colors is selling really well. But however, the price point is a little bit higher, so your profit margin is going to be lower. My go-to sweatshirt, honestly, and my biggest seller in my shop all year round is actually the Gildan 18,000. I'm going to come here to choose manually. Any of these printers are fine. However, all of my listings are synced up to Swift POD, so I just continue to use them. All right, let's take a look at the variants here. The color that I think is going to be the biggest this fall season is dark chocolate. So I'm going to show you a preview of what this looks like. Take a look at how nice that is. Can't you see that doing so well for the fall season? And now I always suggest, instead of using Printify's mockups, because we don't want just like a plain white background, I like to come to Etsy and I type in to the search. I like to type in the brand name, mockup, and then the color. And there are already some really nice mockups that you can purchase on here to make a really aesthetically pleasing listing. Do you see how these look so much better than just using a blank background? So that's my big suggestion there. I truly believe that dark chocolate is going to be huge this fall season. Other colors that do really well this time of year, like I said, sand is a huge seller, maroon, military green, black, and and Dark Heather. These are huge colors for the fall / Q4 season if you are using Gildan 18,000. Now, if we are using comfort colors, we're gonna go here. It is the Comfort Colors 1566. The colors that will be popular this Q4 season is definitely pepper, possibly terracotta, and definitely the light green. Now, as far as the t-shirts, let's jump into Bella Canvas first because these are my go-to. Once again, I use Swift POD, but any of them are fine. All right, colors that are huge this time of year are going to be the Dark Heather Gray, Black, Maroon, Soft Cream, I use this year-round, Burnt Orange, Mustard, believe it or not, and Military Green. And as far as the comfort colors, 1717, the colors that are really popular are Pepper, Espresso, that was one that we were seeing over and over again, Ivory. This is very similar to Soft Cream Bella Canvas, and like I said, you're gonna get a better profit margin if you are using Bella Canvas over comfort colors, so maybe keep that in mind. Burnt Orange, and I'm also seeing a lot of this color. I believe it is this Seafoam color. I'd love to know in the comments what colors are your favorite, and also what brand is your favorite. Are you team comfort colors or team Bella Canvas for t-shirts? Are you team comfort colors or team Gildan for sweatshirts? I'll tell you mine. So I love them all. I love all these brands so much, but there's different things that I like about them, and I'm gonna make a whole nother video about that. But for t-shirts, I personally am Bella Canvas. They are so soft and comfortable. I love the look of comfort colors, but Bella Canvas, it just is very comfortable to wear. And then as far as sweatshirts, again, I love the look of comfort colors. However, have you ever put on a Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt? It's just so comfortable. I feel like I'm being hugged all day. I'm a comfort girly, not comfort colors, but like I go for comfort, and I'm more comfortable in Bella Canvas and in Gildan. However, like I said, love the look of comfort colors. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Have you tried any of these? Which ones are your favorites? Also, be on the lookout for more longer videos than this one. I just wanted to jump on because I was doing real-time research and wanted to share with you guys. But be on the lookout for much longer and in-depth tutorials for your Etsy shops to gear up for Q4 and the holiday season. Also, if you'd like me to take a look at your Etsy shop to see the things that you're maybe doing right, or maybe the things that you're doing wrong and how you can fix it, I do offer shop reviews. I will provide that link in the description below. It's important to, get your shop set up correctly before the busy holiday season so that you can make sure to get those extra sales. As always, thank you so much for watching and for being here. I always appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, of course, there are more details to starting this business, so I've provided a free tutorial in my description below, a free course that's going to hold your hand step by step through this whole process so that you can get your shop up and running as soon as today.